don't mince words.
Yeah.
Now, and a member Branty be a basso.
Okay.
Member President Mahama Basu or Quambi, so baby wants some drink cran, and then I drink cran, but Chanako, see. Anytime I discuss galamsey, and I am a takas and Mitchell say, when it comes to galamsey, any collective survivor, me you say to 1. So, what can say, oh, but target me, MPP, me, NDC, ni, na, and Nutina, a bebuma bem, Nani, may, ya, 1, may, and family. Let me say that preamble. 2, my brother Tim did so. What I say, me you say to come from who be and family. Now, let me start this. No, President Mahama share CSOs. Now, what could share CSOs now about galamsey to find solution to any my AD at them. Now, what I see, it is probably clear. Say, the effect of galamsey on the ensase, yensuo, yenipediasono. Are you clear?
Yeah.
So when you are discussing galamsey, don't try to emotionally blackmail anybody.
Right.
Open your mechanic, a coup for the brass of galamsey, a quashoshe. Tell now, open, he who comes to equity must come with something. So let me set that prayer. But I applaud the president for that bold decision. I go to the Americans and yen share. One friend I didn't busy. But free CSOs. Now, when you say now, or free CSOs and command a question, they didn't say, oh, or free CSOs, Bomo Musica. MPP was not free CSOs, Momo Musicana. I got that here. Your free media for the made discuss the Bami's Kawako, frame and Oma Bibiana. That is the first point.
Right. So
I applaud the president for Nakokwa. President, I mean, cross section of the presentation.
Yeah.
The ministers, the military, CSOs,
yeah.
So this is basically a picture I'm show you.
Right.
But I want to single this man out for praise. If any engineer can actually be a multimedia product.
Okay.
And I go to catch us a journalist. My fidelity first and foremost is to the truth. My admiration for President Mahama is public knowledge. But I'm coming to do an analysis based on the fact and the truth, not your emotions. So if you're emotional about your political party, I don't care about you. I don't care about how you tag me. I care about the data. Obi a kasa, obi a sorry president, I any presentation, Attorney General kasa be the usual. Ako eketesi, e ba ofia na be welcome me. To be kebi bi mi anam so me de be aso so meboa. Yeah. And no sorry, and no say papa yi. What can sa kontama ni wuntumi next week e be che no. Enu nie. Am say wuntumi next week e be che no. Right?
Yeah.
Enu ni. Attorney General to arrange my own to be a contaminant and 5 others illegal or illegal mining next. You cannot say case way July 15, 2025.
Yeah.
Now, NDC for no as a beast. Ebunisu did that. They don't listen because of their haste to criticize, their haste to find fault. Full soldiers don't listen.
Right.
And they can't hear. Obusa president say your investigation now what die on 15th July. No. What has been the response so far? Aqua 15 July then. Say 15th, no about August, no about September. 2 clear months.
Yeah.
You sounded 18 clear to almost what 3 months are you couldn't.
Sure.
What if you on? It's not Konkobu Babanga Diana Yami Indian answer day. They can't reason. And I'm telling them today I won't mince words. They can't reason. Because they listen to find fault. Aqua, engineer can she go here no say ya boy MPCD and an name send this MP for Priscilla Nival ya boni for galamsey. And an name send this MP for win ya boni for galamsey. For first state na year research no. And Aqua, one thing I loved and I've always said this, I'm glad that somebody I would take climate science I say finally spoke to it or say President Mahama presentation, I'm saying turbidity has improved. What is turbidity? Turbidity basically means the cloudiness of the water. In Sufino, in Sona Yamukas has a million. And if any turbidity, and here will sink the womb. But I catch say, when the Ghana Water Company takes water, they only treat turbidity. They don't treat water quality. What is water quality? Sir, arsenic, mercury, cadmium. Heavy metals now more than gold nigu nsuo nim na akokwa no na Ghana water kwotwe de maye no no. Water quality na betreo. The kinds of heavy metals a womb. So if you tell me that turbidity has improved, where? I was saying, Swanity, I just say you so cruddy as I want them.
They be
commonsensically. Say, Swaniatia.
Yeah.
That it tells you so many it is safe for drinking.
Literally, dear.
Yes, but with my background in climate science, that's why I've always said this, that it is not, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense.
But Sabi will be on tear crassino.
And I'm not going to say,
Sabi won't name the Bia Fan, the Crassing Swati, yes, the pipe be on, Sandy Pano, and eat here.
I was going to make a choice. What a man's road to be. Yeah. So, who will be any at and Chelsea is good for your health. Stability is how murky or cloudy the water looks. So stability will always improve the cloud. I mean, so now crojing, but in so now you're crojing. You're very heavy metals and you're fire. A wood rune, a cadmium, my arsenic, a mercury. Sure. When you take it over time, how and on our wow, banana and saying, and I'll pay your beddy. And I'll pay your beddy. Only maybe a bunch of the free bar. That is why I've told you, say, about galamsey, I don't care about your political party. I don't care how you characterize me. I don't care about you.
Yeah.
I don't care about you. So let's address galamsey holistic. I mean, say one, my president mama so open himself. My one friend.
Yeah.
Two, the presentation on the Attorney General and Thomas. You take no single excuses. How 9 months? Also 9 months is too early. Do you know what you consumed in the last 9 months? Do you know? I'm quite sure, David. When you go to Ghana Water Commissioner, right? In fact, before I give you that, President Mahama said he only declared state of emergency. Listen, so that you don't have misquoted him. Mahama says you declare state of emergency on galamsey if the Security Council advises. Who makes up the Security Council? That's why I talk about a comedy of errors. As ye diagro, look at the composition of the National Security Council. The president himself, the vice president, the ministers holding portfolio foreign affairs, defense, interior, finance, and other ministers that the president may determine. The chief of staff, the chief of defense staff, 2 other members of the Ghana Armed Forces, the inspector general of police, the commissioner of police responsible for criminal investigation, CID, the director general police service, the director general prison service, the director general. I go confirm in we've said that, and that's echoed by Engineer Kenashigbe. The state of emergency will give our forest and water bodies that space to breathe. I'm catch say forest, Congo forest, and in India, we are world will be any it is a natural carbon sink. Carbon dioxide, the babon and our forest, I kind of say, quiet, edge. It is a natural carbon sink. Sure. It is a real cry, yes, but it's because of carbon dioxide.
Right.
It's in a giant, it's a quakumanu. Over lines is a Uber to go. That was Refema. Young question you know, who soon would go. You have a tiny storage facility. Yes, I especially we are saying, oh, watch it, or you may, what you might. Maybe a district, I come where you may, the washer was a trade room. No one know, you may. How is this difficult? So why are you making it seem as if the state of emergency is in Kokubi? That is it. Pause everything that is happening. Those who give you license, to let them present their license, let them go to their site, let us inspect what they've done with their license. That is all. Because Kokomakati say, with my work in the man's to be arrested for 2-3 years, and I can tell you, say, more license, say, my no common sense at sending news as in Galamsey for. So let everybody present their licenses. Let's zone all these areas. How difficult is this to do as a state of? So I disagree with the president. He doesn't need the advice of his national security council. He doesn't need it. The evidence is palpable before our eyes. Last Saturday, Mama, I made the fee. Professor Poku said something of Free Canada. Yeah, I will join you. Just go and watch it. About 8 days ago. Why are we doing this to our country? Why must few people's selfish interest, devilish interest, risk all of us? No, you can't. Say, my old Mahama scene will be. You better be joking. Aqua,
yeah.
Sure. When you go to the, and you see, I wish I may a modeling. When you go to the water, when you go to the Commission on Water, since 2005. They go to our major water sources and and classified them. Omunye 2004, 2005.
Yeah.
The last commissioner, the current member of parliament for Tamale Central, Professor Aludisedu. So water, oh, I don't know why the water resources commission, yes, water resources. There are about 41 major sources of water. Blue no, a good water quality. Green no, a fairly good water. Yellow no, a poor water quality. Red no, a grossly polluted water or unacceptable what? Water body.
Water. Okay.
Akwa hade. Otushema River Cobra na wa ampensi no. Eno the agency mo red. Akwa look at it. Of the 41 water sources, only one can be classified as good water quality.
Only one.
Only one. It's me wo data way na say me NDC journalist, me MPP journalist, mama miska, ba me wa miska. Why should I care about? You are not intelligent.
And the old patch say out of 41.
It's not akokwa me say wo say I wish I can send the link for people to download.
So out of 40,
yes.
41.
Yes.
Emu baako pe. Enna eyesi etimi no.
Eno ne good water quality, good.
Eno ne ebetumi anom.
Enkura ko tro BC. Yemfa ne say. Wo ye teacher ni. Onkura ne ko tro BC the baako pe na resource ye can say good.
Na say ne school na gu. Enti no.
Sa situation we. Do you need a security council advice to say that situation ana?
I think the reason why amanfo bebre no ano enhye da enti de ye kan ase na ebi no mu didi atem ne say they see some of the water bodies say eni ate say de na wo kan, and that doesn't mean say water na good quality say de wo kan na awuduro ni wom and people
again
die from it
again mamenko board no so when we say turbidity say me kan me meteorology climate and the department of physics turbidity, right?
Yeah.
Turbidity only targets the murkiness and also cloudiness of the water. Offense. Now we say to say tia. Turbidity ni ya say eti say nsu fi nani. Right?
Yeah.
Now be white. Yan kana sa. Chensu to say white.
Yeah.
Now be white amount. And all say turbidity has improved. It was nsu bi tire na improve aya whiter. It just turbidity has improved. Even that is seasonal. What does it mean? Akokwa. Sensu to a you will be a friend of one-offs.
Yeah.
It's just a car park here. Who's a millionaire?
Yeah.
But in so many talk now, one if you baby are washing bay for 9 years, I'm a good FM car park, a friend of run-off.
Yeah.
So we can have Insua and Yatne, but one of it me a chiabu and yabu.
Sure.
No, I make ya. It's a and just stability should be the basic argument.
Yeah.
What should be the basic argument is the water quality index. What that means in basic chemistry is that one will check the chemical composition of the water, the pH.
Yeah.
You are acceptable water, you know. pH if I'm not around to conjecture. You are alkaline water, you are acidic water, to check all those qualities to make sure water no and sooner no makomu papa.
Yeah.
It's water quality index, no. Right? And on never check it the arsenic.
Ti no enhwe ani atenko.
Enhwe ni atenko ekoma suko.
Eti wo ka stability.
Akoko ma say metie you go say tutu wo me say ya. Sa brantie me rasta kakra ni me say eti me ho ye. Ba me call am nam ko iya brantie wona mo an wo wi ni asu wo wi. Eti what time the say be train ye we you go say tutu mu ankasa. Obi kini na say. Obi kini analysis no no.
No ana aka no.
Water quality in simple terms goes deeper than the turbidity because what the eye sees is not just enough for you to come to conclusion say you so be here.
It goes beyond that. Taste no cry so.
Yeah. So that is the water quality, and I'm saying that of the 41 sources of water, the Water Resources Commission has surveyed from 2005, 20 years. Only one out of 41 can be classified as good water quality. So ask yourself, November, me 31, 32 years. But say, in the last 20 years, what has been the sources of water? Ghana Water Company, no, so we do ya no mutiani, and we improve it ability the money. There's a certain professor on Facebook, Julius something USA on the news file, or say. Ghana Water Company only treats turbidity. not heavy metals, unlike the rest of Europe near there. No, Takwa Ghana was in soon ever feel any ateno, and Trell say arsenic nim, and Trell say mercury nim, and Trell say cadmium nim. Nakwa had there. Look at our major source, River Densu. Aqua, Nina, fairly good, fairly good, fairly good. Aqua, yellow no, poor water quality. Raja Lake, poor water quality. And some River Densu, poor water quality. River Canum, poor water quality. Pra, poor water quality. River Pra, Pra ne de. Osha if we have a pra in your eye, 3 way in your eye. Poor water quality. And this is mostly the central region. But unim, ono, or yan this in Rollins, or yan this in couldn't Regiment Rollins, or yan this in Siyadun Katia, into your bottom see a becassim way. The part in our band may say. What we did on Galamsey to President Kufuor, we will do it even Jesus Christ when he become president in this country. Because my child says an existential threat from 2005. This is Ghana's scorecard.
On Galamsey.
When they come to water.
Water.
Now, when you show now, you say in climate science, Professor Kwesipri Akon supervising the catcher say, or Kusu was say, water seeps beneath the earth. The Chansa Kwasi so good for man say ya. A kwasa say it goes to the water bed. The 20 only so menum Ghana water, but two Buddha. Akokwa me say then water seeps. The cast seeps I go na betima me twi no. Water e do su ko fom. Sasa seeps e do su ko fom. Sadi ya no mde dua cabbage na retwetwagu mu so amwadi.
Na se no nom kwa asase na se.
Ade we e na dua cabbage no. Lettuce we. Red fish we. Salmon we. Obenkunu we. It's different day. Call people names. Now I want to come back to this gentleman. Me say, may posterity remind him fairly. He, the likes of Erastus Adonko, may posterity remind him fairly. Now what they be am say me say, when I'm doing my advocacy, the reason why I don't care about your name college when you read about the 5 theories of media, there's something they call FLAK, FLAK. That's what they do.
Yeah.
That CSO transfer come on muska or I for the free bro muska. So when you are somebody who is down spirited, who a little bit of inferiority complex, me go come mas mo be di matam ya beka. Mo be di atam ya samba kan next week. Ya me nkwa ma ya nkwanya next week me say be ye galamsey. You can go and bend the sea. I don't care about you. That will be my first submission on Galamsey.
Yeah.